Looking for the perfect tool to achieve a smooth, professional wood finish without hours of manual sanding? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the best sander for wood to help you choose the right one for furniture, DIY projects, and home improvement tasks with ease and precision. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT DWE6423 Orbit Sander. The DEWALT DWE6423 Orbit Sander is a powerful and dependable choice for woodworkers who want smooth, professional results without excessive vibration or fatigue. Its 3-amp motor delivers an impressive 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, giving you the flexibility to handle everything from aggressive material removal to fine finishing. What really stands out is the separate counterweight design, which significantly reduces vibration and makes long sanding sessions far more comfortable. The shorter height allows you to get closer to the work surface, improving control and precision, especially on detailed projects. Dust management is another strong point, with an improved dust collection system and a one-handed locking dust bag that keeps your workspace cleaner. The dust-sealed switch enhances durability by protecting internal components from debris. With its rubber overmold grip and solid construction, this sander feels secure and balanced in hand. Whether you're refinishing furniture or working on cabinetry, it delivers consistent, swirl-free results. Number 2. BOSCH ROS 20V SC Palm Sander. The BOSCH ROS 20V SC Palm Sander is designed for those who prioritize smooth finishes and user-friendly operation. Powered by a 2.5-amp motor with variable speeds ranging from 7,500 to 12,000 OPM, it adapts easily to different materials and project needs. Its pad dampening system effectively minimizes swirl marks, making it ideal for both flat panels and contoured surfaces. The hook and loop disc attachment system ensures sanding pad changes are quick and hassle-free. One of its biggest advantages is the microfilter dust collection system, capable of capturing fine particles as small as half a micron. The durable twist-off dust canister makes emptying simple and mess-free, while also letting you see when it's full. Compact and comfortable to handle, this palm sander offers good balance and control during extended use. With included accessories like a vacuum adapter and carrying bag, it's a practical, ready-to-use option for DIYers and serious hobbyists alike. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER BDERO 100 Sander. The BLACK+DECKER BDERO 100 Sander is an affordable and efficient tool that delivers reliable performance for home improvement and DIY projects. Its 2.0 amp motor produces up to 12,000 OPM, allowing for quick material removal and a smooth, swirl-free finish thanks to its random orbital action. Lightweight and compact, this sander is easy to maneuver, especially in tight spaces or on vertical surfaces. The Comfort Grip handle helps reduce fatigue, making longer sanding sessions more manageable. A built-in dust collection bag keeps debris under control and helps maintain a cleaner workspace. The hook and loop system allows for fast and easy sandpaper changes, saving time between tasks. Additionally, the dust-sealed switch protects internal components from dust and extends the tool's lifespan. While it's ideal for lighter to medium-duty applications, it still offers impressive performance for sanding furniture, smoothing edges, and preparing surfaces for painting or staining. Number 4. DEWALT DCW210B Orbital Sander. The DEWALT DCW210B Orbital Sander combines cordless convenience with powerful performance, making it a strong choice for both professionals and serious DIY users. Its brushless motor improves runtime and efficiency, ensuring consistent sanding power without frequent battery changes. The variable speed control, ranging from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, allows you to tailor performance to the task, whether you're removing old finish or applying a fine touch before staining. The low-profile design gives you better control and lets you get closer to the work surface for detailed sanding. A replaceable 8-hole hook and loop pad makes paper changes quick and simple. Durability is enhanced by a dust-sealed switch that prevents debris from damaging internal components. The texturized rubber overmold grip provides comfort and stability during use. Ideal for job sites or workshops where mobility matters, this sander delivers strong, consistent results without the limitations of a cord. Number 5. SKIL Pressure Control Sander. The SKIL Pressure Control Sander is built for users who want power, guidance, and efficient dust management in one reliable tool. Featuring pressure control technology, it alerts you when too much force is being applied, helping prevent gouging and uneven finishes. With 6.0 amps of power, this sander handles tough wood surfaces with ease, making it suitable for more demanding sanding tasks. The microfiltration system captures fine dust particles, keeping the air cleaner and your workspace tidier. Its auto-track belt alignment ensures the sanding belt stays centered, reducing frustration and improving consistency. Its flush edge sanding capability allows you to sand right up to edges and corners, maximizing coverage. It's also vacuum compatible, fitting standard 1 1/4 inch hoses for enhanced dust extraction. Designed for efficiency and control, this sander is a solid option for larger woodworking projects and heavy material removal. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.